Hello guys, my name is Abbas Khalikov and I'm going to talk today about new features in our intranet, which is quizzes, Padlets, questionnaire, and QR code scan attendance feature that we added this summer. So let me start. Alright, so first thing is first, so let's go ahead, go to academic engagement tile, let's pick this one. And I'm going to pick software quality performance testing. Okay, so inside I have now lectures, seminars, quizzes, module Padlet, questionnaires. So let's start with module Padlet, it's the easiest one. As you guys can see, I already have some content here, which I was testing. So let's add one more. Well, what's Padlet? Padlet is something that you can share with your students. Some content that you can share with students. Basically, you can just share your photos, your text, or you can even share your YouTube videos. And this time you don't have to download from YouTube all these videos, which is very good, I guess. All you have to do is just copy paste a link into this Padlet and it will automatically show that video in our intranet, and it will be shared with all our students, right? Or your module students, I would say. So let's go ahead and try it. So let's go start with the fun one, which is YouTube one, youtube.com. So let's search for quality assurance software testing. Alright, so here's the first one which I was testing, and here's the next one. So let's click on this. And here you go. We have, sorry about this. Here you go, we have a link. So let's copy paste this link, and just there's a big plus button, this one. You have to just click up. You can click more if you want, as many as you want. And all we have to do is just copy paste the link and title, which is, you can put any title like testing software. And this one is also, let's say, test. Now we have a save button right here, the small button. Click, and here you go. We have a video already available in our intranet. This is how easy it is. Okay. Next thing we can go to, let's go to quizzes. Let's create a quiz. Okay. Let's make it start time 5th and end time, let's say 7th. Okay, and the name would be something like test. This will be also, test, and click here, test. You can also copy and paste your YouTube links here, which is video. So basically, if you copy and paste your YouTube link, this quiz will be based on video. So students will see a YouTube video first, and then next they will start answering quiz options, picking quiz options in case it's multiple choice. But I'm going to make a very simple quiz, which is just text-based. So let's pick module. Usually you will have a module here only. Since I have all the permissions, I also get to see a link like student induction, staff induction. So let's make it module based, and we'll make a status active. And next thing is we need to save it. So once you save it, you will get to see this section where you can add your questions now and options to questions. So let's add our new question. First we need to select, let's make it multiple choice, and let's make a mark like 10 or something. And let's type in, what is your age? Yeah? So we edit, And next thing is we need to save. Oh, just enter your question. Oh, well, it looks like we need to first do this, like what is your age? See, I made a mistake. Multiple choice, mark is 10, and now we need just save question. All right, so question number 1 is saved. Next thing is we need to add an option, right? So we have option button right here. So add an option. So this option will be it is 25. Now let's make it key, and it's going to be, let's make it safe, and let's add another option. It is, let's make it 35. Save. Okay. And that's it. Let's save an item, and let's go back to our where's the back button? There you go. I'm done. Let's go back to module. So this way you can add more questions. Yeah, as you guys have already guessed, you can add like new questions. You can add options to it, and this will have a pagination like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, unlimited number of questions can be added with a limited number of options. And types are multiple choice, single choice, drop down list, or you can also have multiple image choice quizzes. And also there is an option called writing, true, false options. This also can be added. Okay, so we have all the types available. Let's go back to module. Let's go to quizzes. There you go. I have my test quiz, and I can just simply see the result, or if I just log in as a student, I can take this quiz also. So that's all about this quiz, and let's go now talk about our attendance system. All right, so let's go to attendance. It's also available from intranet, but you can always just type in attendance. Also, it's a little tricky to type in this laptop. WIUT status. Alright. There you go. So all I have to just log in to my attendance. Password is the same as, oops, didn't work. Khalikov. Yeah, work this time. Let's pick quantitative methods. Okay. As you guys can see, we have a list of students, and we have attendance, like for teaching week from the 1st till 14th, like, usually it's 12 teaching weeks, right? And so usually we just take attendance like this. We just pick it, yeah, we pick any week, and we can just simply by hand, we can just put present, absent, or not apply, right? We can just pick these. But this time, as an assistance, we made a new feature called QR code. What you can do is, when your module has started, you can just click on this QR code. Like, let's say today is teaching week 4. So let's click on this QR code, yeah? And this kind of pop-up will pop up, and we have a duration, like in seconds. Basically, the idea is the QR code will be generated, and students with their phones, they will be scanning the QR code from your projector, just like, using our web mobile application for students. It has a QR code scanner option, so they will be just clicking on that, and then basically they will be just scanning it, and that's it. So once the scanning is done, the attendance will be taken for that student. So if you ask for students, like, could you guys please scan this QR code and take your attendance and help me like this, and they will do so if they have a smartphones only. So this is an experimental feature for now, because many students have different phones, they have different models of phones and different types of cameras with different resolutions. So scanning QR from the projector could be a little bit tricky, and sometimes it may not work. So this semester we'll be experimenting with this, and hopefully it will work. Okay, this is for you to assist, so you don't have to call every single student name and then take attendance. So we're just trying to automate it. Okay, so basically we have seconds. Well, why do we have seconds? Because we don't want to make it available like for 5 hours, because if the module is done, then the students shouldn't be able to scan the QR code and take attendance after the module, right? So we give like few seconds. Like in our case, let's say we have 189 seconds, and then if you click on this generate, it will generate a QR code, as you can see. Okay, here you go. We have this. Oops. Let's generate it again. And there we go. Now with my phone, as a student, I can just go to attendance and then scan it. There you go. I just have scanned it. So next thing is I'm going to just simply refresh it. By the time you will see this attendance system, you will not have to refresh it. All these attendances will appear automatically. Here you go. As you guys can see now, Davron Bek for Teaching Week 4 has already made his own attendance. Yeah, he already did attendance. So each attendance will have a date automatically. Okay, and this will help you, I guess, to take attendance. Well, this is it for today. Thank you, guys. See you next time. Bye-bye.